The key fob battery in 2019-2023 Kia Soul models typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through safely removing the old battery and installing the new one, saving time and money compared to dealership service. This task is user serviceable according to Kia manuals, and a DIY replacement avoids dealership fees and is very simple. First, ensure your vehicle is off and keys are out of the ignition. Gently pry open the key fob using the screwdriver at the seam near the key ring. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side's orientation. Install the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together, starting from the bottom. Test the fob by unlocking your car. Important tips. Avoid using metal tools on the circuit board to prevent damage. If the fob doesn't work, clean the battery contacts. Always recycle old batteries properly due to lithium's toxicity.